Hey, how's it going? Rich Lafferty again with Rich Lafferty Riding Schools. Just want to give you a quick tip. This time I want to talk about arm position. I'm sure everybody's heard, you got to keep your elbows up. The reason you got to keep your elbows up is with your elbows up you have much more leverage and control over the motorcycle, and it's easier for you to react and stay more square with the motorcycle. Versus if you ride with low elbow position, you don't have as much control and maneuverability on the bike. Okay? The problem with it is when you keep your elbows up, a lot of people don't understand if they hold on with a straight hand grip and I tell you to put your arms up, what happens is what presents itself is you have a kink in your wrist. A kink in your wrist is very uncomfortable to ride with. So it isn't just about putting your elbows up, it's also about your hand position as well. Two things is what I recommend. I recommend an over grip, so it's just taking your grip, releasing it, over gripping this way, and gripping the motorcycle hand grips on an angle like you would a tennis racket or a golf club. When you grip it on an angle, that just makes that flow through your wrist even easier, more of a straight line, and eliminates that kink. Makes it easier for you to keep your elbows up. Another reason why it's good for you to keep your elbows up, just like I've mentioned before in some of my other videos, it makes it easier for you to get more forward on the motorcycle. Getting more forward, weight to the front end, that's good because it puts weight on the front end, helps keep it under better control, and also with your head being forward, you create momentum. You're forcing the motorcycle to catch up with you. Another thing why keeping your elbows up is a good thing is because it makes it easier for the transition from going to sitting to standing. Sitting position, standing position. Sitting, standing. Versus if you're a guy with a low hand grip and a low arm position, you go to stand and then there's issues with your arm, you have to lose control. So keeping your elbows up is definitely a good thing. Next time you're sitting on your bike in the garage, try and mess with that. See what you can learn about your hand position and how that feels. That's all for now. You can also find more of my video tips at www.rlafferty.com. Thank you.